Welkom terug maats, vandag gaan ons 'n nuwe klankie leer. A. Welcome back everybody, today we're going to learn a new sound. A. Herhaal elke woordjie na my. Klei. Yes, that is klei. Drein. It is a drain. Eier. That is an egg. Brei. That means to knit. Vlei. It's a wetland. Klein. That means small. Vleis. Yes, it is meat. Sign. That is a signal. Brein. It is a brain. Meisie. It's a girl. Train. Train. Well done. Now repeat each word after me. Herhaal elke woord na my. Brei. Drein. Vlei. Vleis. Brein. Klein. Klei. Sign. Well done everybody. Let us see how much you have learned today. Kom ons kyk of julle hierdie volgende speletjie kan regraai. Is jy gereed? Kom ons begin. Kyk nou na elke prentjie en vind die regte woord wat pas by elke prentjie. Is julle gereed? Kom ons begin. Are you ready? Here we go. Well done everybody, you make me so proud. Baie mooi maats, ek is trots op julle. Now let us see how you do the next activity. Are you ready? Lees die woorde. Read the words. Well done, now let's see if you can read a bit faster. Kom ons kyk of jy vinniger kan lees. Well done everybody, now let us read the sentences. Kom ons lees die sinne. Lees elke sin na my. Please read each sentence after me. Die kar is klein. Hier is my brein. Die trein is skoon. Ek speel met klei. Now read the sentences on your own. Kom ons lees nog sinne. Ons eet die vleis. Die sein is swak. Ouma brei 'n trui. Hy loop in die vlei. Now read the sentences on your own. Well done everybody, baie goeie werk maats. Volgende keer gaan ons nog Afrikaans leer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, please take care.